Morning, fellas. Welcome back to another episode from Scrapyard Rescue. Today, what we're gonna do is I don't know what I'm thinking, but we're gonna start working on Fairlane number 2. I talked about this, I guess, the last video. We scraped the floor out and cleaned it all up, got the carpet out and stuff. Well, yesterday I got bored. I got in here and I cleaned the floor up. I scraped everything off real good. Wire wheeled some more stuff. Did a bunch of, cleanup. I took the door panels off everything. I cleaned everything off the door panels. Got all that stuff ready to go. The floor I wire wheeled, cleaned, hosed out the whole inside of the car. So we're going to go ahead today and rust proof the floor. I've got some Rust-Oleum heavy rust primer I'm going to paint the floor with. This stuff works pretty good. It's less than $17 for a quart at Walmart. I think it works just as good as like Eastwood or Pour 15 or whatever it is, Pour 21, I forget what that is. I've used both of those, and they're pretty expensive. I've used all the rust proof I did on the other car. I used just Rust-Oleum, and it works great. So that's what we're going to do. I'll kind of give you a little look-see through here before I get started, kind of show you what we're going to start with, and then I'm going to get in there and start painting the floor. I'm going to brush it on so the overspray just doesn't go everywhere in the car and stuff. And I don't think I'll paint the floor afterwards. I don't really see any point in that. It'll get, if I continue on with this car, it'll get sound deadening and carpet and everything, so I don't need to paint it. But this is the car that I've had up for sale for a while. I haven't got any contacts or anything about it. Nobody's inquired anything about it, and I just don't want it to just sit here. I'm not going to part it out. It's too good of a car to part out. So, but with that being said, the car is still for sale. But as I keep doing stuff with it, and of course the price is going to go up. Right now you could get it for a pretty good deal. It needs the engine to be rebuilt, and it needs a drive shaft, and and just all this other stuff that goes with fixing up an old car. But anyways, that's what we're going to do. I'll get you, like I said, to look in here in a couple seconds, and then we will proceed with getting set up and start to do the paint and stuff. So let's get rolling on that. Okay, here's what it looks like after I cleaned it all up. It's not bad. Like I said before in an earlier video, there's no rust through marks on this car whatsoever. It's solid everywhere. Well, except for the trunk. I got to put a pan in, but otherwise it's pretty good. Over there is the worst rust, and none of that is rusted through. We're just going to go ahead and seal that all up, and it'll be good. So I'm going to go ahead and get the paint out and get going and get set up to do that. Okay guys, let's get started here with this. Okay, you can see that this is going to be a long, drawn-out process, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll just get back in here when we get some progress done, and I'm sure nobody wants to just sit here and watch me paint. So I'll check back with you pretty soon. Okay, fellas, we got it all done. Getting a lot of glare here from the sun, but we got at least the first coat on. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry for a while, and then we'll see if it needs some more. I see, a lot of spots where it's kind of light, but once it dries, it kind of blends in pretty good. So we're not going to do anything with the trunk yet because it needs to have a floor pan welded in. But this is at least the first coat's done. So that's all it takes. I didn't even use a half a quart of that primer, so that's pretty good. Alrighty, well, I think we'll go ahead and kind of end this video here. So, alright guys, that's probably enough for today. I got the floor coated. Looks pretty good. For all you guys that are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, please do. I really need to get my subscribers going. They've just kind of stopped dead for the past, I don't know, 6 months. I haven't got any new subscribers. I would really appreciate that, and let me know what your comments, in the comments, of what you think of me starting this car before I finish the other car. The reason I'm kind of doing this is I need to get Fairlane #1 into town and get exhaust put on it, and then I need to take it over to the tire shop and have them dial in the front end. Both those places, you have to set up an appointment. They're really busy. There's only one muffler shop in town. The guy's really good, and he's backed up all the time, so you got to get on his calendar. The tire shop's the same way. It's about 2 weeks just to get an alignment done on your car. And then once I get that organized, then I have to go to U-Haul and rent a trailer. So then I got to go over there and make sure I can get the trailer on the day I'm going to bring the cars in, and then hope everything works out that I can get the car to the muffler shop. I'm thinking it'll take him 3-4 hours to do what I want him done on this car. And I don't know about the alignment shop, an hour or so probably to get it down there. So it might work out where I could get it, only have to bring it into town the one time, only have to rent a trailer once, and just hope that works out. It probably won't. I'll probably have to do it twice. And but whatever, I guess whatever I got to do. But that's what's holding me up on that. This car here, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's still for sale. If anybody is interested in it, contact me. We'll see if we can work something out. I'm going to keep working on the car when I don't have anything else to do. I don't know how much money I'll stick into it because I can't afford to do. I got my Pinto sitting out there that needs exhaust and the front end done, and so I can't. 3 cars on my budget is pretty much stretching it. I was able to buy a quart of paint yesterday. That's about it for this car. But anyways, let's end the video here. I know it was kind of boring, but I'm trying to keep some stuff out there on my channel, just to let everybody know I'm still alive and kicking and trying to get some stuff done. Like I said, I'd appreciate the subscribers, thumbs up, and send me comments, talk to me, tell me what stuff you'd like me to do. I can't drive all over the country buying old cars from people and seeing if I can get them to get home. I don't have the money for that kind of stuff. I'm not Vice Grip Garage where the guy's a millionaire and can travel all over the country doing whatever he wants. I'm far from that. So, but anyways, let's close the video off here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.